Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's math problem of the day says, after meeting for hot chocolate, Candace bikes directly north for 4 miles and Lindsay walks directly west for 1 mile. How far apart are Candace and Lindsay now to the nearest 10,000ths of a mile? All right, well, I'm going to draw the diagram which represents the routes that they took. So our problem tells us that they started off together in the same location for hot chocolate, and Candace biked 4 miles north. So I'm going to draw her point going straight up, and I'm going to write the 4m for 4 miles right here. And then Lindsay walks directly west for 1 mile. I'm going to try to keep my line in proportion to the 4 miles. So that means this line is going to be about 1/4 of the length of this one. And I'm going to put 1m for 1 miles is how much she walked. Now, the question asks, how far apart are they? Well, if I draw a line from the top to the bottom, that's the distance that they are from each other at this point. So basically, our problem has just turned into the Pythagorean Theorem, and we're trying to calculate the length of the hypotenuse, or the side that's opposite of the right angle, which is here. So now I'm going to write a squared plus b squared equals c squared, because I need to use the Pythagorean theorem to calculate that missing length. So it doesn't matter which leg length I put in for the a or the b value. I can call the 1 my a, or I could call the 4 my a, and I can call the 1 my b or the 4 my b. It doesn't matter as long as you don't use them twice. So I'll call a the 1. And so that's 1 squared plus 4 squared, and that equals c squared. All right, so after I solve these exponents, I end up with 1 plus 16 equals c squared. And that's the same thing as 17 equals c squared. Well, when I want to solve for c, I'm going to take the square root of both sides, and I'm left with the square root of 17, which is about 4.1231. I took it to 4 decimal spaces because if you remember, the question said, show your answer to the nearest 10,000ths of a mile. So this is the 10th place, the 2 is in the 100th place, the 3 is in the 1000th place, and the 1 is in the 10,000th place. So I had to list 4 decimals out in order to meet the question's requirement of 10,000ths. So the 4.1231 miles is my final answer. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to supereasymath.com, click on math videos, and you can have access to all of my videos where I teach everything in order with notes the way you need it.